She's got a toy. Are you playing? Are you playing, little bitty? There she goes. She's gonna steal it from Javi and run. Whoop! There she goes. Oh, she's so cute. Rose, you want some water? Do you want some water? Good girl, you figured it out. Good girl. You're gonna be a smart girl. You're like mommy's hobby. Yeah, I figured it out. I figured out I can drink out of that, and it's good water too. Oh, little skinny Rosie girl. I'll let you play a little longer, then we go inside and take a nap.
Oh, I gotta go to Hobby Lobby before I leave.
Yeah?
So...